In this video, I'll show you how to make an Applin plush out of a sock. Sorry my voice sounds like I'm dying, I am sick. Start by cutting the toe of the sock off. Apparently, I'm out of red socks, so I'll be making a shiny Applin in this video. Then, fill the base with weighted stuffing or normal stuffing. Then go ahead and use a running stitch to close up the gap. Now push the needle from the top to the bottom of the ball and make a running stitch at the bottom, and then push it back up and do another running stitch, repeating this until you get an indent on both sides. I then cut the 3 half circles out of the darker green sock to sew on. Cut it in half and you're ready to sew it onto the plush. Attach using a ladder stitch. Repeat the same step with the yellow and sew it onto the bottom using another ladder stitch. Then draw 2 oval shapes like this for the eyes and backstitch them, leaving a space to turn them inside out. When you're done, turn them inside out and stuff them with filling. For some reason, my camera quality decided to die here, but what's happening on screen is I'm sewing the eyes onto the part with the dark green. This is what the shape of the tail should look like. Backstitch it, leaving a gap, cut it out, turn it inside out, and fill it with stuffing. Cut out the lighter green and sew it onto the top of the tail using a ladder stitch. Then sew it to the back of the body, also using a ladder stitch. Now cut out 2 black ovals and 2 really small yellow ovals and glue them onto the eyes. Here's what it looks like when you're all done.